Okay, beta. Let us discuss. We were doing question number 10, I guess. We had discussed question number 9, explain the relationship between sanitation and disease. I hope you'll be able to write it down. Question number 10, outline your role as an active citizen in relation to sanitation. मतलब कि आप as an active citizen आप क्या steps ले सकते हैं? What steps you would take to maintain sanitation and hygiene around you? That you have to discuss. We'll take up one by one. I think first Tanveer can tell me one step. Anji, Tanveer. Ma'am, please allow them to unmute themselves.
An active citizen. Ma'am, voice audible?
Anji, beta, your voice is audible.
An active citizen, we should take care of our personal environment sanitation. We should make people aware of the benefits of sanitation. We should help municipal corporation to cover all the open gates and
Just
remove.
tell one point, my dear. Just tell one point. Any one point. What will you do as an active citizen? As an active citizen,
we should take care of our personal environment sanitation.
Personal environment, ये बहुत generalize हो गया. क्या हम इसको थोड़ा सा और specify कर सकते हैं? Personal environment में आप क्या कर सकते हैं जिससे कि sanitation maintain रहे?
Ma'am, may I speak?
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, may I speak?
हाँ बेटा बोलिए, फर्स्ट पॉइंट बोलिए, एक पॉइंट बोलिए. ये बहुत जनरल है तनवीर. हम लोगों को एज एन एक्टिव सिटीजन, अब आपने पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ लिया तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि एज एन एक्टिव सिटीजन व्हाट कैन यू डू. ठीक है?
An active citizen should keep the surroundings clean by not allowing litter to be thrown here and there.
Very good. Not to throw litter. या फिर हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, not to litter any.
Ma'am, garbage also.
In open. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Good morning.
We should tell the people to not be fresh outside.
You mean not to excrete in open?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. तो हम इसको पॉइंट को लिख सकते हैं, discourage open defecation. Yes. Discourage open defecation लिख सकते हैं. Third point.
Ma'am, as an active citizen, we can limit type and quantity of waste produced.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. Limit waste quantity भी और type भी. ठीक है? जितना हम waste generate करें उसको हम limit.
Should be treated properly.
हाँ जी बेटा.
The sewerage system should be treated properly.
Sewerage system should be treated properly. आप कहना क्या चाहते हैं? Please explain. आपकी जो sentence है उससे वो clear नहीं हो रहा है.
Throw cooking oils and fats in the drain so that sewerage should not be blocked.
बिल्कुल ठीक. Cover open drains. पहली बात. उसके बाद आपका दूसरा पॉइंट ये हो सकता है कि we should follow better housekeeping practices. जिससे कि हम drains में जिसमें हमने पढ़ा था कि better housekeeping practices में we should not throw cooking oil, fats, paints, insecticide, all these things down the drain. We should not flush plastic waste or sanitary towels, all these things. Because वो सारी चीजों से क्या होगा, जो drains हैं, जो sewers है, वो close हो जाएंगे, block हो जाएंगे, और उससे वो sewage system जो है वो block हो जाएगा. तो उससे वो spread होगा sewage और that will cause diseases. Yes. So हम चौथा कह सकते हैं follow better housekeeping practices. You should बेटा note down simultaneously. ये hints दे रही हूँ आपको. You should note down simultaneously. मतलब अगर आपको ये लिखना है तो आप इन points को elaborate कर सकते हैं. You can write down in your rough notebooks also. Follow better housekeeping practices to avoid blockage of sewerage system. ठीक है ना? इन सब में इसमें सारा कवर हो गया आपका, right? So 5 points are enough. Yes. Have you noted it down? Just take a minute to note it down quickly. Then we'll move on to the next question, my dear. So in that case, I won't be sharing with you the model answers because I'm already sharing with you. तो आप लोग इन्हीं lines के ऊपर लिख लेते हैं ना. So whenever it comes that you can elaborate any of these points, right? Can you do it? Okay, very good. Shall we proceed with the next point now? Are you able to note it down, beta, looking at the board? Is it visible? Should I make it more closer? Sahajveer is able to see it. Shipra, are you able to view the board properly? Okay, beta, okay. Shall we proceed next? Okay. Crossword puzzle. Liquid waste products. Liquid waste products. Because ये यहाँ पर हमने fill करना है, so it should be proper. Liquid across में पहले देख रहे हैं हम. Liquid waste product. It is Suhani. Suhani. After raising your hand, you disappear. Jay Aditya. You can unmute yourself, beta. No. Okay. So the liquid waste products as sewage. Very good. The next one. Solid waste extracted in sewage treatment. Solid waste extracted in sewage treatment. Aditi. Beta, unmute yourself. Unmute.
Ma'am, sludge.
Sludge. Shabash. A word related.
Ma'am, sludge.
हाँ जी बिल्कुल ठीक है बेटा. Sludge. A word related to hygiene. Manya. Are you able to unmute? हाँ जी.
Sanitation.
Sanitation. Shabash. A word related to hygiene is sanitation. Next is I want Ansh Sachdeva. Waste matter discharged from human body.
Excreta.
Excreta. Shabash. EXCRETA. Next. Used water. Ritika. Ritika Arora.
Ma'am, wastewater.
Wastewater. Shabash. A pipe carrying sewage. A pipe carrying sewage. Perleen Kaur. Perleen Kaur. She's not there, I guess. I want Akshara to answer me.
है मैम है.
है अच्छा नहीं, but she's not.
मैम सीवर.
हाँ जी, सीवर. Okay, fine, beta, सीवर. Very good. Then a pipe carrying sewage, sewer. Microorganisms which cause cholera. Akshara. बोलिए बेटा जोर की. Can't hear you. Unmute Akshara.
Ma'am.
Still not audible. Saksham, can you help?
Bacteria.
Bacteria. Very good. Now Saksham will tell the next one. A chemical to disinfect water.
Chlorine.
हाँ जी, वैसे आप क्लोरीन भी लिख सकते हैं, बट यहाँ पर क्योंकि क्रॉसवर्ड पजल है तो वहां पर आंसर ओजोन आएगा. बट इफ द क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड एज वन वर्ड क्वेश्चन, देन यू कैन राइट डाउन आइदर क्लोरीन और ओजोन. ठीक है, दोनों लिख सकते हैं. So we are discussing regarding to crossword puzzle, so it comes out to be ozone. Otherwise, both are correct. That is all with your syllabus. I hope you have understood the chapter.